excited to see, since this is the very first subscription box I've ever done. I'm hoping that it's good. We are going to open it up together today and kind of take a look. I went ahead and I just went for the 6-month subscription. You do have to pay up front for it, so that does kind of suck. So like, say you get your first box and you don't like it, you're kind of SOL. Like, you paid for the 6 months anyway. It was $250, something like that. Now they do have like codes in that, so if I have a code available for like a % off, if you guys do like this box, I'll leave it in the description box. So the whole deal with Lunarly is 1 month you'll get a candle and some other things, and then another month you'll get like a plant and some other things. Now I'm kind of like a plant bitch. That's like my thing. I love plants. I always have. So I definitely wanted to get a box that had like plants that like normally I just don't feel like okay buying for myself. This was part of my like personal self-care allowance to myself. I'm super excited to open it up, so let's get into it. I'm using a knife that my husband got for me for Christmas. It's super pretty. It's an unboxing video, you guys. An unboxing video. Oh, it's smelly. So every month they have like a theme going on. I don't know, it smells really good though. I'm actually kind of pleased with that, so that's good. I was kind of bummed that I didn't get a plant, but that'll be next month, so. Okay, so inside here, so since this is my very first box, they gave me like an intention journal. You're supposed to like write down your intentions for the next month. This is about self-care, right? So every month you need to kind of like have a plan of what you want to project for yourself, or you know, you could use this as a gratitude journal in that. Okay, it's actually like soft, like better quality than I was expecting it to be. Okay, so that's really cool. So they give you a bunch of like pages in here to fill out for your intentions for like the new moon, and you know, it doesn't have to be based off the moon, but I just think it's something kind of cool just to kind of keep track of like your gratitude, your intentions, you know, your affirmations that you want to set for the month. I think that this is like perfect for that. So this box is for the pink moon. So the new moon is April 1st, first quarter April 9th, the full moon is April 16th, and then the last quarter is April 23rd. So the pink moon is the time to be optimistic and cheery. As blooms begin to emerge from the ground, think forward to the warmer seasons with joyous expectation. An intention to inspire. Don't be afraid to hope during this moon. This is the time to be overly positive and bright, willing your own blossoming into existence. That's kind of cute. So pink moon, so that's there. Blossoming Joy pink moon candle. So it actually has lichen, hyacinth, and musk. It does smell really good. Okay, so new moon, new goodies. So what comes in here this month is a Willow and Edge Sleep Balm. Aromatherapy sleep balm with lavender and shea butter. Kind of want to open it. Yeah, I'm gonna need the knife for everything. Remember, be safe. Here we go. Okay. Ooh, I'm such a sucker for lavender, so that's super cool. Okay. Broke it. Rose quartz. So there is a natural stone in here of rose quartz. It's actually great quality. It's a pretty big piece of rose quartz too. And then Colonia mini hand sanitizer. You can always use hand sanitizer. The date on it says it's good for a full year. And it's actually sage and citrus. Sanitize, moisturize, refresh. I mean, it does smell pretty fresh. And then a felt letter board. That's kind of old school. Cute. So it's like 4-inch, 5-inch by 5-inch felt board. Comes with like a little baggie to keep the letters in. For the letters, I gotta break them out and then put them on the felt board. So that's kind of cute. So you can put whatever you want to say on there. It's super, super cute. So every month they have a specific theme that they do. So for April's month, it was the pink moon. They gave us a wonderful pink moon candle called Blossoming Joy. And they'll always, with that theme, they'll always give you like a little card to kind of like tell you about the pink moon, what it all means. And then, of course, all the items, the goodies that you will get for the month, which is super, super cool. So thoughts now that I've unboxed. I knew that there was going to be a crystal and I knew that I was going to get the intention journal. I didn't know quite what to expect of getting out of the subscription box. I mean, the candle is not bad. I think this candle probably would be priced around $15. It is heavy. It is a candle. It's a thick candle. Thankfully, I like the smell, right? Because like that would kind of suck if you got a candle that you didn't like and you didn't want to spray or whatever. So that's good. The quartz crystals, super, super cool. The intention journal, aromatherapy sleep balm. I think I'm actually going to use this. It does smell really, really good. So I'm excited about that. Sage and citrus. And then the only thing is, like, I got this felt board, right? And I'm not super into like knick-knacky stuff. So I don't know, I'm probably gonna see if someone in the house wants this instead, because I just don't think that I'm going to use it. But also, you never know, I could end up using it. But overall, this actually was a pretty cool subscription box, not gonna lie. So after I've opened up this box, taken a look at everything, I'm actually super excited for next month's. So I should be getting that box before the next new moon. I'm super excited because that next one should have a plant in it. I think I might be more pleased with the next one since it is a plant, because that's what I was actually looking for, was a plant subscription box. But this one had a lot of other little things that come with it. And sometimes it's kind of nice to get some other self-care things that you wouldn't normally buy because of the price. If you guys liked this unboxing video and you want to see the next box, give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you want me to film that next. I definitely will. Do I think this subscription box is worth it? Ultimately, I think it's up to you. Now seeing what you get in the box, I mean, would you get the subscription box? Have you done other subscription boxes that were similar to this one? Let me know down in the comments section, because I would love to check out some other ones, some different companies in that. Subscription boxes and direct-to-consumer things seem to be very prevalent right now. It's kind of where our culture is kind of going. And honestly, I'm here for it. Until next time, remember, I love every single one of you. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.